I'm going to show you some top portfolio inspiration sites where you can get graphic design inspiration. Number one is Behance. I love Behance. It has amazing designers on here. You can click on it by going behance.net. It has amazing creatives. You can see all different types, layouts, photography, graphic design, illustration, branding, identities, logos, heaps of cool, interesting stuff, even 3D stuff. So, you can go on here, you can click on Discover, and you can just find amazing creatives on here, and you can search for different categories. But I always love coming on here to see different branding work, and it's cool because you can see case studies here. Like, look at this. This looks amazing. Love that. So Behance is probably the best one, and it's also a great place to put your portfolio as well. Number two is Codefolios.com. So these are portfolios from design interns that are at some big tech companies. So for example, you can search by Google or Airbnb or whatever, and then they've got their websites there, so you can go and click on their websites and check them out. But this is an interesting one as well. Let's see about Instagram, see if it works. Beautiful. So we found one Zane creating, and you can see some of the stuff he's created here, which is kind of cool. And yeah, I think that's awesome. So that's another cool website if you want to suss out some interns and designers. Number three is bestportfolios.com. This is an interesting one as well. You can filter by portfolios or resumes. So I've just clicked on portfolios in the top left, and I can scroll down and click on something that looks nice. So I can see here this portfolio. So it gives me some inspiration. Maybe you're building your website portfolio and you need some inspiration there. And then I can click open portfolio website, and it will take me to that designer's website, as you can see, which is interesting. Very cool. I like this. That's kind of a cool design. Let's suss them out. Yeah, beautiful work. App design, some branding, illustration stuff. Really, really cool. So that's bestportfolios.com, and there's heaps of talented designers on here for your inspiration. Number four is Dibble.com. I'm sure every designer knows this one. This is some cool 3D action going on here, but this is the best for like branding work, logos, illustrations. I find that's the sweet spot for this. And you can put your own portfolio on here as well. So if I sign in here, hopefully it works. You can see some of the stuff that I've sort of put on here as well. So you can put like interesting things, and you can see I've starting to get some decent views, which is cool. I actually haven't checked this in a while, but it's actually a decent place to put your designs and yeah, explore other designers, top designers, and just overall, it's a great experience, as you can see here. Another cool one is looksideway.com, and here is some more inspiration, mainly for like portfolios on websites. And you can see some examples of like what they've created. It's similar to Dibble, as you can see. So you can suss out the design, you can drop a comment there, which is really nice. I can click by spotlight, and just good for like some quick inspiration for layouts or maybe some typography. Like even this looks really cool, and if you click on it, it'll take you to their website, as you can see. So that looks dope. Yeah, I think this is really, really cool. Amazing. And then lastly is Landbook. So land-book.com. And up the top left, you can see you can just search by all or click on portfolios. So I'm actually filtering some designer portfolios. And as you scroll down, it should load up some more and more ones, as you can see. Load more dope stuff. That's kind of cool. But there's heaps of stuff here. That's cool. Let's check out this one. And hello. Oh, it's actually, I think that's Spanish. I don't know. But this looks awesome. Oh, amazing studio as well. Beautiful. So that's another one. Just great for landing pages, looking at portfolios. So those are my top picks if you want to find some portfolio inspiration for your website. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick list. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a comment, drop a like, and smash that subscribe button to get more amazing design content every week. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you soon.